Hello, everyone. Today is step 2 of setting up your business page in Facebook. And I wanted to just talk about connecting or linking your Facebook business page and your customer group. Why would you want to do that? Well, if you are posting as your business page in your customer group, you can then invite anyone that comments on those posts to like your business page. You can invite anyone in your customer group to like your business page. And again, business page is public. So if it's on their news feed, their friends will see it. If they comment on it and something in your business page, your public business page, their friends on their feed will see it and say, that looks pretty neat. And they may click on it. And it's all about algorithms and getting your name out there. And the more people that touch posts that are in your business page, the more people that are going to see it, and the more fish you reach in that ocean. So how do you link your customer group to your business page? Very simple. So on your business page, one of the options on the left is groups. So you're going to go to groups. Now you can see I have linked my closed group, but I'm going to show you. So you would just say link your group. And then these are parties that I've had. So I would click link. And what that would do is it would make it so that I was posting as Dina Knutson, Independent Director at 31 Gifts, in that group. And I'm just sitting here going, aha, I should do that when I have parties, because then I can invite those people to like my page. Dina, duh. So anyway, so that is how you link your group to your business page. And really, really important to do, really easy to do. I strongly recommend it. That is homework assignment number 2. Once you have created that business page, go ahead and link your customer group. And let me know how it goes. I'm always here for questions.